Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadli Harisandi. My ID is 012021090253. My program is BCM. Now I want to present my assignment 2, the proposal write-up and video awareness campaign. First of all, we're going to talk about the mind map. So this is my mind map. My title is the use of public transportation around Klang Valley. The first is what is public transportation, and then second is who use public transportation, and then the when is the time spent used for this research, and where was the location chosen to conduct the research, then why was this research conducted, why is the use of public transportation still low, and then the last is how transportation can have an effect on a sustainable community. Next is background of the project. This project is about the use of public transportation. Public transportation is one of the topic that is related to the SDGs, specifically SDG 11, namely sustainable city and communities, specifically again in sustainable transport. SDG 11 focus on developing modern city. Public transportation system include a variety of transit options such as bus, light rail, and subway. These systems are available to the general public, may require a fare and run at the scheduled time. The purpose of introducing or expanding public transportation is to increase access to and use of public transit, while at the same time reducing motor vehicle miles driven and traffic congestion. With the population constantly increasing, cities must start thinking about intelligent urban planning that creates safe, affordable, and resilient cities with green and culturally inspiring living conditions. There are three objectives of this project. The first one is to identify problems that cause low public interest in using public transportation. The second one is to increase the use of public transportation. And the last is to find a solution to get people to use public transportation. For the target audience, this project is everyone, male or female, over the age of 15. This choice was taken because all gender use public transportation, and usually people start using public transportation themselves when they are 15 years old. The scope of the project. This project will contain the importance of using public transportation. In addition, this project is also an invitation to use public transportation and also an explanation of the benefit if many people use public transportation. This project will also include solution to increase the use of public transportation. The next is related website for my project. The first one is the globalgoals.org. This is the main page. The website above use a drop-down menu for navigation. On the page, there are several buttons that can direct user to the page they are looking for. Multimedia elements are used in the form of text, image, animation, and audio. The above website is also very informative and the information is easily accessible. The next website is from the UN website. On the website above, the use of text is more dominant than other multimedia elements. This may be because the website above is an official and formal website. For navigation, this website also uses drop-down menu and several buttons on the page that can direct us to the information they are looking for. Now I'm gonna play my videos for the video teaser.
This is Sustainable Development Goal 11. Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Half of the world's urban population breathes air that is 2.5 times more polluted than standards set by the World Health Organization. SDG 11 has 10 targets within it that touch on the political, economic, and social or cultural aspects of its larger goal. One target calls for support of positive economic, social, and environmental links between urban, peri-urban, and rural areas by strengthening national and regional development planning.
The reason why people rarely use public transportation is caused by at least two things. The first is the payment method. Currently, for all public transportation that operates under MyRapid KL, payment must be made with a MyRapid card or Touch and Go card. Besides that, you can also buy directly at the station if you are using MRT, LRT, or BRT. But if you want to use the MyRapid KL bus, you cannot buy a card at the bus stop. Well, the Touch and Go card can only be obtained in a few places, so it's kinda hard to get the payment if you want to use a MyRapid KL bus. The next reason is the lack of feeder vehicle coupled with the lack of sidewalk facility. Somewhere, when you want to take the MRT and want to go to the MRT station, you cannot get there by public transport link or feeder, and you have to walk. Meanwhile, the existing pedestrian facility are inadequate and there are even some dangerous places. As you can see in the picture, there are no proper and safe sidewalk of pedestrian to get to the MRT station. Even if you also have to walk on the edge of the highway after getting off the bus. This is certainly very terrible and is a pretty reasonable reason why people rarely use public transportation. If you want to see more people using public transportation, then this problem must be solved first. Currently, I'm also developing a website that will increase public awareness to use public transportation. Save the URL address, visit, and share if you think it can be useful. So I think it is my video, and the last is for the reference. These are some reference that I used to make this research and also for the YouTube video research. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.